Hello everyone, welcome back to Analyst Sultan, where we simply digital marketing tools for you. In today's video, we are diving into Facebook pixel tracking and how it can supercharge your Facebook ads campaign. Let's get started. In this video, we will discuss about what is Facebook pixel, why need Facebook pixel tracking work process, and Facebook can boost your business. So let's get started. First things first, what exactly Facebook pixel? Simply put, it's a small piece of code that you place on your website to track user action like page view, add to cart, checkout, purchase, or form submissions. Facebook uses this data to help you understand how user interact with your site. You can make smarter decision about your ads. Now, why do you need Facebook pixel tracking? Here are the big reasons. Track user action. It lets you see exactly what action user are taking on your website. Optimize ad. With this data, Facebook can automatically optimize your ads for the best performing actions. Retarget user. You can retarget people who visit your site but did not convert, keeping your business in their mind. Measure ROI. Most important, it helps to measure the return on invest from your ads so you can see what's working. So how does Facebook pixel actually work? Optimize ad delivery. Facebook user the pixel data to deliver your ads to the right people based on their behavior on your website. Retarget and personalize. Facebook allows to you retarget people who interact with your website, showing them personalized ad that can drive them back to complete their purchase or actions. Can Facebook pixel boost your business? Absolutely. By understanding your audience better, optimizing your ad and target potential customer, Facebook pixel can significantly increase your ads performance and help you grow your business. It helps to create more relevant, higher converting ads that can bring it more lead sales and growth. If you see that increased conversion 20 to 30%, boost ROI with retargeting 15 to 25%, expand reach look-alike audience 20 to 40%. So that's it for today. I hope you now have a clear understanding of what Facebook pixel is, why it's important, and how can supercharge your Facebook advertising efforts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new videos for Analyst Sultan. Thanks for watching and feel free to reach out if you have any questions. You can also connect with me on WhatsApp or LinkedIn. Link in the descriptions. Until next time, keep tracking, keep optimizing, and take your business to the next level with Analyst Sultan.